Struggling with organic chemistry? Are you finding organic chemistry overwhelming for NEET? Let's transform confusion into clarity and confidence. Begin with the basics. Carbon's unique behavior and its compounds form the heart of organic chemistry. Master hybridization, learn functional groups, and understand isomerism. These foundational ideas are essential, much like a strong base for a towering structure. Now, focus on high-yield topics that frequently appear in exams. Concentrate on aldehydes, ketones, hydrocarbons, and reaction mechanisms. Recognizing these key topics reveals patterns that simplify your study and boost your exam readiness. Reaction mechanisms may seem intimidating, but think of them as puzzles waiting to be solved. Break each reaction into small, logical steps. Identify the nucleophile, electrophile, and leaving group in substitution reactions, whether SN1, SN2, or free radical types. Step-by-step visualization turns complexity into manageable challenges. To make memorization easier, employ creative mnemonics. For instance, remember Markovnikov's rule by thinking, Mark adds his rich friend first, highlighting that the more substituted carbon receives the additional group. Such tricks not only reinforce your understanding, but also add fun to your studies. Finally, practice relentlessly. Tackle previous exam questions and take mock tests to enhance speed and accuracy. With every solved problem, your grasp of organic chemistry deepens and your confidence soars. Remember, mastering organic chemistry is a journey built on steady progress. Take it one step at a time, and soon even the toughest concepts will shine brightly. Like, share, and subscribe for more NEET success strategies. Let's crack NEET together. Your success in organic chemistry is within reach when you study smart and persist.